Hello everyone, we are civil engineer students from Texas A&M Kingsville, and today we will be giving a brief presentation of our construction engineering term project. To begin with, students in the classroom were assigned different projects and were in charge in developing a scooping level report for their projects. To develop the projects, the teams had to include the following in their report. Develop a project scope statement. Prepare a work breakdown structure for the project and identify the work packages. Prepare a preliminary cost estimate. Prepare a construction schedule based on the work packages identified, assuming constant duration for each work package. Consult with the construction manager to develop a 3-point estimate for duration of each work package and identify the project duration using the PERT method. Develop a feasibility analysis for the project based on the projected revenues and the preliminary cost estimate. Discuss the economic, social, and environmental impacts of the proposed project. For our project, we went with Project E, a hotel, restaurant, and banquet facility based on the capital of Washington, D.C. The construction starting date for this project is predicted to start on June 15, 2020. The hotel, restaurant, and banquet facility occupy an approximated area of 109,740 square feet. To start analyzing our project, we started with the project scope of the buildings. The project should not exceed a cost of $22,146,546. The deliverables include a 1-4-story hotel complex, 1-2-story restaurant, and a 1-2-story banquet facility. We also included some milestones for the project, the main ones being the permits being approved and the final inspections. For the technical requirements of this project, we will have to meet the local building codes. Finally, we included the limits and exclusions for the facilities, which include the basic accommodations for these types of buildings. We then proceeded with the work breakdown structure of the project. The following image shows the work breakdown structure of the project. The main components making the branches are the site preparation, foundations, structures, mechanical, and interiors. The main purpose of this work breakdown structure is to reduce complicated activities to a collection of tasks. Tasks must be measurable and independent, with clearly defined limits. For our preliminary cost estimate, we used a cost index based on ARS means from 1995 that we found at our school library. Using our historical cost index, we adjusted the cost to the actual cost of the project to the year 2020, and the city cost index to Washington, D.C. The preliminary cost estimate of the project is $22,146,546, which is highlighted in yellow. For the duration of our activities, we consulted a professional, experienced construction administrator to give us his opinion. After consulting with him for a brief period of time, he provided the following duration times for the project based on the plans and information we gave him. The optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic durations of the activities were then used to calculate an approximate duration of the activities and their variance. The following tables show the duration of the activities and the variance. The activities and durations were then used to construct a construction schedule. As we can see, some of the activities do overlap since they do not required for the previous one to be completed before starting. The approximated duration of the project is about 25 weeks. For our feasibility analysis, we conducted research to determine the average profit of hotels in the Washington, D.C. area. The total cost our property amounted to $22,146,546. Our research showed that it would take 1.5 years to make a return on our investment. This would amount to an average profit amount of $2,460,726 every 2 months for 18 months. Our profit is the amount the hotel makes after property taxes, staff, utility costs, and other costs associated with the operation of a hotel. This project is aimed at serving the need of temporary housing in the DC area. As many political and professional individuals visit the area for both government and corporate reasons, a hotel that can provide a consolidated service for its guests is much needed. The facilities delivered by this project will not only provide a central location for events, dining, and living, but will also serve as a stimulant for the local economy by providing jobs to the local population and providing additional tax revenues to the local government. Additionally, any environmental impact can be considered minimal, as the employed staff will be sure to keep facilities clean and responsibly dispose of any waste considered to be environmentally hazardous. Finally, here are some of our recent costumer reviews. I personally didn't think I would find someone that could create what I had in mind, but this company made my dreams come true. I want to cry of happiness. Justin Serna. Long have I asked myself, does the perfect hotel exist? Well, I am here to tell you that the perfect hotel does exist, and it is this hotel. Michael Reyes. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more awesome content.